Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are amazing for your medium and high content books. These keywords have been carefully researched using the 4 free Chrome extensions that I've talked about in a previous video that I have done. In order to view the Chrome extensions as well as how to use them correctly, you can go ahead to our channel page linked in the description box below, and simply in the search bar just type in Chrome and you will find that video titled 4 best Chrome extensions for Amazon KDP sellers. That way you will be able to do the keyword niche score or the keyword research, my apologies, the same way I'm doing right now, and uncover your own keywords. With that being said, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, click on the subscribe button in order to be notified on all our new daily videos. Now let's get started with the first keyword for the day, and our first keyword for the day is Maths Workbook Grade 2. Amazing keyword. It fits all the profitability metrics, starting with a keyword niche score of 67, green light, ready to go by self-publishing Titan's Chrome extension, which gives us all this beautiful juicy data right over here. So a keyword niche score of 67 by Titans, and also a keyword niche score of number 6 by Amazon Scout Pro, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. We have the total results sitting at 3,724. They are below 5,000. Now usually I like it anywhere between 1,000 to 2,000, but 3,724 is below 5,000. It also indicates other factors of profitability, such as a really good keyword niche score, really good bestseller within the rank that we want it to be, good amount of reviews, and a good amount of average price. All that we are ready to accept the total results being in the 3,000s. Coming to the bestseller rank, we have it averaging 38,194, which is also a great indicator below 400,000. The average reviews are a massive 2,210, and average price is $8.50. What you are creating here is a workbook, which is considered a medium content book for maths for grade 2. So keep it minimalistic, keep the audience in mind. You are creating a book for grade 2 students on maths. So take the time to research what kind of things do grade 2 students need to learn about maths. Are you also going to dive into a couple of activities? Are you going to provide, extra value by providing a solution page or solution pages for each of the exercises as well? You can also find some lovely maths workbook interiors available on Creative Fabrica. Now I also have a 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica, all access free trial that allows you to check it out for the full 30 days. So that way you won't have to go ahead and purchase the subscription. You can go ahead and just do the 30-day free trial and cancel if you find that it is not for you before the 30 days is up. Another indicator for profitability besides this juicy stuff right over here is in the first page. We want to aim to find a minimum of 2 to 3 books with a bestseller rank under 100,000, and these books do not need to be sponsored, so there are no ads running for these books. They need to have a bestseller rank of under 100,000. Of course, the lower the better, and this is just an additional step beyond what we're doing right here. It's an optional step that really asserts to us and it confirms the profitability of our keyword. So scrolling down, this is a sponsored product. There are ads running, so we're not going to take this into account. The same thing goes for this book as well, and we're going to dive into our first result, which sits at a beautiful bestseller rank of 912. Now this book right over here, Math Skills Builders, targeted for grade 2 and 3 students, sells approximately on a monthly basis 2,280 copies per month, generating a massive $3,292 in sales. Scrolling down, we have our second book with a bestseller rank of 4,533, under 100,000, and this one sells around 720 pieces per month, generating 2,318 on a monthly basis. Scrolling down, we have our third book as well, 599 as the bestseller rank, selling a massive 2,940 copies on a monthly basis, generating a whopping $16,570. Now this is not taking into full account the fees that the author has put in, such as whether they've outsourced the book, also whether what kind of things they're doing to maintain that. Currently there are no ads running, yet it is selling a massive 2,940 copies on a monthly basis. We have also a couple of other books. This one 3,638, our book number 4, with a bestseller rank under 100,000. Next up we've got 2,110, 8,055, 3,052 as well. We've got 21,000, 11,000 also. So all these are great indicators that the keyword is profitable. So dive in and start to look for interiors for maths workbook for grade 2 students, and try to think, how can you be different from all the books out there? You still want to meet the demand, and you still want to fulfill that promise that it is going to be relevant for grade 2 students. It is a math workbook, but how can you provide extra value to get your book selling and to make the customer feel that they are getting a good deal for their money? Now that's the first keyword for the day. Let's dive into our second keyword, which is fun facts. Now this keyword right here is fun facts, just simply fun facts. It is a beautiful keyword that you can use for your 7 keyword slots. Now bear in mind with me, I do understand that it has a total results in the above and beyond what we usually are expecting, but this is a keyword that can open the doors for you for extra keywords that I've dived into before in a previous series that I've created on fun facts books. And this is a keyword, simple 2-word keyword that you can use as part of your 7 keyword slots. It has an average bestseller rank of 90,872. It has a reviews of an average of 1,914. Average price is $9.40. And also the keyword niche score right over here by Amazon Scout Pro's number 7, categorizing this as a nice niche. Now, although the total results are 42,555, I won't be quite concerned, because I'm not going to use this as part of my title or my subtitle. I'm going to use this keyword. Currently update this keyword in your 7 keyword slots if you have a book that talks about anything to do with fun facts. Did you know? These kind of books that are short and filled with true fun facts. Also, this keyword can be used for any book that you are wanting to create. If you do want to utilize the fun facts series that I've created for you on the channel, I will link the series in the video description box below. You can update the 7 keyword slots for this wonderful keyword right over here. So let's dive quickly into the third and final keyword, which is bedtime story books for infants. Bedtime story books for infants 0 to 12 months is amazing in terms of the profitability. Now this is a keyword that's ideally to be used for the title or for the subtitle. We have both Chrome extensions agreeing with us on the keyword niche score. First of all, Self-Publishing Titans have given us a keyword niche score of 64, green light, ready to go, whilst Amazon Scout Pro has given us a number 8, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche, and number 9 is the highest. So we're all happy with number 8 over here, and it beautifully complements the 64 by Titans. Coming to the total results, they're sitting at 799, which is amazing, under 1,000. Of course, the lower the better. The average bestseller rank is also within the acceptable range. It is under 400,000, and it is averaging 100,952, and the average reviews are 11,674, and average price is $9.18. Now this keyword has been specially requested by a couple of lovely followers here on the channel, and they've requested bedtime storybook related keywords, and this is an amazing keyword to dive into. Now bear in mind the audience here is infants between the ages of 0 to 12 months, so they are under 1 year old, and you need to keep it minimalistic, introduce a large images as much as possible, keep the wording between 2 to 3 words, and try to explain. So what are you trying to teach these children? How could you be able to add in that educational twist to your bedtime storybooks as well? Have a look at some of the books that are selling quite well. As usually we are going to ignore the sponsored. This one, for example, is not a sponsored book, and it has a bestseller rank of 963. This one's sitting at 3,383 as the best seller. This one's 407. This one right over here is 23,000. So the ones I'm saying out loud are the ones that are not sponsored the books, and they have a bestseller rank under 100,000. They meet the requirement that we're having a look at on the first page. This one is 6,777. We've got 12,000 right over here, 70 right over there. This one is in the 10,421. So bear in mind, you don't want to do anything similar to that. I know this book's selling quite well, and it is by Disney Books, so that's they do have the rights to use Disney elements right over here, because they own that trademark, they own that term. This book right over here as well is selling beautifully at 6,966. 161 is the bestseller. So there are many books above and beyond what we normally expect to be selling quite well under this wonderful keyword. I wish you all the best. Let me know what kind of videos you're interested in. Are you interested in tutorial videos, or do you want me to continue the series of revealing profitable Amazon KDP keywords to you and helping you cut down on the keyword research for that? Take care and have an amazing day. Bye bye.